Welcome to Cash Collect, where we'll be discussing the top website that pays you $50 per hour on complete autopilot in 2023. If you're looking for an effortless way to earn money online, then this video is for you. We've done the research and tested multiple websites, and we've found the ultimate winner that you won't want to miss out on. Please listen carefully for the following few minutes so you don't miss any potentially lucrative information. Let's dive in then. I bet you're curious about this incredible website. I'll fill you in about PanelStars and how you can use it to make some extra money in a moment. PanelStars is an SMM platform that provides various services to its users in order to boost their participation in social media. PanelStars can help you get the attention you desire, whether that's through likes, follows, views, comments, or anything else. What's even better, due to the low cost, it is a viable option for those who want to boost their online profile without breaking the bank. Now that you're familiar with PanelStars, let's get started with the basics. The first thing to do is join PanelStars. Going to PanelStars.com and clicking the register button in the top right corner of the page is the first step. Clicking this link will take you to a form where you may establish an account by providing some introductory details about yourself. You'll be prompted to fill in some basic information, including your name, email address, username, password, and country of residence. Complete the form by clicking the register button on the page's bottom. Click the link in the email we just sent you to confirm your email address. This is a necessary measure for keeping your account safe from prying eyes. After logging into PanelStars with your confirmed email address, you'll be able to peruse the dashboard and learn more about the various plans and services on offer. Putting money into your account should be one of your top priorities. Simple payment options like PayPal, major credit cards, and even Bitcoin make this possible. You can begin ordering social media engagement services once your account has been financed. Keeping tabs on your orders and campaigns is a breeze with PanelStars. You will be able to view analytics and reports in real time to track your interaction and watch how it evolves over time. The second step is to browse for cooking-related TickTock channels. Step 2 of this process entails locating TickTock channels that specifically advertise and sell food-related items. You should begin by downloading the TickTock app on your mobile device and searching for cooking-related videos. Some examples of such searches are #kitchen-tools, #kitchen-hacks, and #cooking-tips, as well as looking for cooking-related videos on the For You tab. Once you've located some useful content, investigate the accounts responsible for posting it. You want to find channels on TikTok that promote food-related brands and/or offer food-related products. These vendors could be one-person operations or major corporations with a focus on selling kitchenware. Finding videos that have a lot of views but few comments can help you find new customers. This may indicate that the account owner is having trouble interacting with their followers and may benefit from your services. The specific audience you intend to reach is another consideration. Find customers in a specific market if you have expertise in a specialized area of the kitchen industry, such as a particular product or type of content. Doing so will increase your standing in the field and attract more clients. The third step is to communicate with prospective customers. You should start contacting possible customers once you've narrowed down your list. Use a one-on-one message to tell them about the ways in which you can improve their TikTok engagement and brand visibility. Highlight your knowledge and track record in social media marketing and provide concrete instances of how you've benefited previous clients if possible. Take a look at this sample message you can use. Hello Fred, I just wanted to say that I was highly amazed at your kitchen equipment after watching your TikTok video. I was surprised to see so few comments and interactions from other people when I visited the thread. Trust and credibility on TikTok can be hard to come by, but as you know, social evidence can go a long way. If people see that others are reading or buying your content, they are more likely to join in themselves. There, I can be of service. I'm an expert in social media marketing and have prior experience using TickTock to increase user activity for my customer base. If you like, I can write several compliments about your products, which will boost your online presence and attract more customers. Please let me know if you think this could be useful for your TikTok channel. Please feel free to ask me any questions you may have and for more details about the services I offer. We appreciate your patience. Now, keep in mind that this is just an introduction to the topic at hand. Personal experience and knowledge of social media marketing as well as the specific TikTok page and product you're promoting will inform the tweaks you make. Building rapport with a TikTok page owner and proving your worth as a social media marketing expert are two of the most important aspects of your strategy, right alongside being polite and professional. You can always utilize ChatGPT to generate a message to send to TikTok page owners if you're not confident in your own writing skills. ChatGPT is a language model that, when given the right inputs, can generate text that sounds almost human. If you provide ChatGPT instructions like write a message to send to TikTok page owners offering social media marketing services, for example, it will automatically construct a response that you can tweak and utilize. However, keep in mind that the model may not fully understand social media marketing or the specific needs of your clients. So using ChatGPT may not always result in a perfectly crafted message. Therefore, before sending out your generated message, it is recommended that you review and modify it to ensure that it conveys the intended tone and message. Orders will be filled by PanelStars in the fourth step. As a last step, you can use PanelStars to ship any orders that come in through the targeted TikTok product pages. This is a crucial step since it streamlines the delivery of your social media engagement services, saving you time and effort in the process. PanelStars is a platform where you may provide engagement services to TikTok page owners upon receiving an order from them. With PanelStars, you can tailor your services to meet the specific requirements of your customers by choosing from a variety of social media involvement alternatives. By automating the delivery of engagement services to customers, SMM websites like PanelStars help save time and effort when processing orders. Since you won't have to focus so intently on each individual order, you'll be able to expand your services more rapidly. Just message as many TikTok product pages as you can to maximize your earnings. I'm hoping you've learned something new and are eager to get started on your own journey to passive income. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money while on Autopilot. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.